Alright guys, we're here today with another episode of Verse.
Very highly requested episode of Verse, if I do say so.
I know that Aaron is all about it. Aaron's like,
is?
you have to do you versus Gabe.
I've been wanting to.
You know what's funny is like the first thing that we did like a long time ago was you versus me game of skate.
Oh, and that did really well.
And then it got a lot of views and we're like, whoa, that's weird.
Yeah, so I mean, we'll see how this one goes.
Yeah, I think it's going to be fun. We were just warming up and we were comparable. Gabe definitely has like an advantage. But we're not.
Barely.
We're definitely somewhat similar in skills.
Lance and I are like at the point where we both film and edit the same amount.
Yeah.
And we also skate the same amount. But it's just previous skill set that I'm bringing here, and Lance is still learning. So it's gonna be cool.
Yeah.
I'm not looking at this as competition. I'm just like, I'm gonna try to hype up Lance. I want him to do well.
Yeah, same here. Same here.
Now.
We're gonna try to push each other to do as many tricks as we can do.
Yeah.
And expand our skating. And you guys can just vote on what you think was the best. It's totally opinion related. You know, it might not be that my skating was better than Gabe's or Gabe's was better than mine, but you just like something about one of the montages better.
Exactly.
We're gonna Rochambeau to see whose montage goes first, and then we're just gonna play, and then you guys vote.
So what do you want to do?
I want to put my montage second.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I think I know why. All right. Let's get this, guys.
One other thing. Gabe is gonna film me skate, and I'm gonna film Gabe. He's gonna edit his own montage, and I'm gonna edit my own. So that's another thing. You guys can vote for the editing and filming as well. Set a timer for 1 hour.
Roger that.
It works, even on myself. 28 minutes.
right, dude.
I'm just gonna get an easy one out of the way really quick. My line.
Yes.
The 5 stair is so much easier than this. That hurt hella bad. That's a weird sensation. That went straight to the brain. Crook.
It was like a front side flip, dude.
That was cool feeling, except for the board was ready to do a full-blown popsicle. I need a bigger board. All right, well, apparently I was riding a 775, not an 8, and I was all frustrated, like, these 8s are too small. So I got Aaron's board, which is actually an 8, and now it should be easier. But I'd rather have an 825 for this.
How you feeling, man?
Not good.
I feel like you're kind of stressed out.
No.
Oh. We're all good. We're okay. You just hit my toe.
Sorry.
He's trying to take out the competition, people. Better get on him.
Got something in case we need it. Come on, come on.
Lance puts you in those awkward situations where you're in a set spot and then he comes right at you and then you have to move.
We're 20 minutes in though, and I've done almost every trick I know how to do. I'll have to expand the boundaries a bit.
Oh, shoot. Yes. This is Lance gone wild right now. You're going crazy.
Rock the fakie?
Rock the fakie. Heck yeah. First try, $5. Oh, that is drywall.
Why didn't you tell me it was this tiring, Lance?
How do you feel?
Dude, I feel so tired.
1 hour of hardcore skating. How do you feel about your montage? Jeez. Bionic man.
I feel all right. There are a couple tricks that I wanted to do, but I just didn't have enough time. I kind of like try to prioritize my tricks, and then I kind of like backlog too many of them.
He says he didn't have enough time. That's really not the case. We gotta untap Gabe's potential.
Yeah.
There's a fear factor that we gotta handle.
It's been there for the last 5 years.
I know. I see so much potential, but we just gotta unlock it. Anyway, I think you did good.
Yeah,
you got
man,
some
you too.
great tricks. That was fun. If we did this like every day, we'd be so much better.
We'd be in such good shape.
It would be so much better.
Yeah.
Even once a week would be really cool.
I do come like once a week, but I pretty much practice only the tricks that I landed today.
Yeah, that's all. One thing about skating that's hard is getting out of your comfort zone.
Oh my God, there's sweat in my eye and it hurts very bad. I feel pretty good on the tricks that I did. That Manny kickflip felt really good. I haven't actually done one of those in a long time. So
Yeah, that was sick.
But, I mean, it's just like,
You started off strong, I would say.
yeah, because
and
it was
then-
all the stuff I was so familiar with.
Yeah,
Feels good though to get a good sweat every
it
once in a while.
does. It does. I felt really good. I definitely felt beat up after mine.
Yeah, that inner
Man.
ankle like nerve thing was the funniest.
That was painful. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this. We definitely did.
Yeah, that's really what this was about for us. It was also because Aaron requested it a lot.
Yep.
We're trying, all right? Lance posts his big video every day.
Gabe's even doing 2 videos.
I've been doing 2 videos a day this entire week
At Braille
by
Army.
myself.
But that's no excuse.
Yeah.
We need to skate and we need to progress.
We do.
So anyways, that's what we're trying to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this. We want to hear your feedback, what you thought of the montages, what you thought of the editing, what you thought of the filming, and what you thought of the skating. Which skater do you feel won and why? And who would you like to see next?
And what kind of tricks would you like to see us learn?
So leave us any feedback you want to. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to
below.
Braille Army. Subscribe to our main Braille channel. Like, leave a comment below.
Thanks
Good?
for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching. We love you guys.